Is working in the Khanapara SBI branch, Meghalaya. He was tested positive. Soon after we have got the report, we have closed the bank and also doing all the tracing contact of those people who had contacted that person working in that bank. Bank is in Meghalaya, but the person it is found positive in Assam, not in Meghalaya. It's not recorded in the list of Meghalaya since they are tested in Assam. So that bank now it has closed had been closed for some time. The Chief Secretary talked to the Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi district and found all the necessary protocol has been followed and all the necessary requirement has been taken up.
Total number of staff now, bank? Total number of staff?
No, that now I am not be able to tell you the total number of staff working in the SBI, Khanapara, but it is in Meghalaya. Yeah. So we have to close down the bank now for time being.